Hey, this is Sam from TCS. I just wanted to do a quick video because I saw the Pragmatic Luthier post a video about go bars. And I wanted to do something similar because we sell go bars, but we don't sell them at $10 a piece. We sell them at $2.49 a piece. So by the time you make about 6 feet, I think he was telling you if you ordered 6-foot lengths from a big supplier, by the time you cut it up and everything, I think it was like $6 for 6 feet. But ours are about 23 inches. By the time you get up to 6 feet, you're paying $7.49. So about $1.50 more, and you don't have to do the work. We've cut it, we've put the tips on there, we put it in a box, we ship it to you. Of course, you'll have to pay for shipping because, well, it's cheaper than driving. Also, if you wanted to buy some merch, we have a friend here who does t-shirts locally, and we would really love to help her out. I've never sold merch except for my own merchandise, the stuff that we make. And we'll probably be getting t-shirts as well. So if you want some go bars at a lower price than what the market is currently selling at, for regular tension, 2 rubber ends, you'll get 10 for $24.90. I think that's what it is. We think it's a bargain. And we have been trying to get some of these normal tension ones because we've been selling the extra tension one, the stronger ones. But we had a few folks say they would really love to have these normal tension ones. And we think they're perfect for exactly what they do. Check us out. We're also having a sale on some bracewood. We would love to hear some thoughts from you, any improvements that we could do. And let us know if any of you want a t-shirt. I mean, look at it. It's awesome. All right, that's it, guys. We'll try to be posting more often. It's just we've been so busy that we just can't edit these videos fast enough. Until next time, I hope to hear from you soon. Goodbye.